travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your...
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana and on my channel I do lots of home decor and seasonal decorating. If you're interested in watching any of my content, I do upload twice a week, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. Definitely double tap that bell so that you won't miss an episode. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a two-part. I am going to be taking you guys along with me as I decorate my dining room for spring. I'm just adding a few, spring touches, neutral touches. In my dining room, I kind of like to keep it a little bit neutral because I like to add some color during the summertime. So I'm going to be adding lots of whites and greenery and wood tones. I'm going to be adding some little rabbits here and there just to kind of bring in that spring life into my space. And then also I'm going to take you upstairs to my bedroom where I am going to be giving you a spring bedroom tour. So I am super excited about this video and I hope that you guys are too. Excuse my appearances. I just got home from work and I did not get a chance to doll myself up. So I hope that you guys can bear with me with my hat on today. But let's go ahead and get into this video because I am super excited. And yeah, let's do this. So as you can see behind me, I have my console table here and my winter decor. I just put these branches here. They're not going to stay. I'm actually going to be replacing them with some whites branches. And I am super excited about the way. I'm not going to really change much in here. I'm just going to be adding spring touches and kind of do like a little moderate spring tablescape styling. So let's do it.
Destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
So these are a few of the things that I am going to be using today in my dining room spring decor. I got these from Amazon and it's like a date, I don't really know what to call it, but you can, put the date here and I think I'm going to be using this somewhere. I'm not really sure yet if I'm going to be using this in the dining room, but we will see. And I do have these little birdies that I also got from Amazon that I kind of want to use as well. I actually saw like I think it was Pottery Barn. I don't remember if it was Pottery Barn, but I did see like they have like the little birdies and it was like on wooden blocks. I actually was going to do a DIY with that, but I didn't have the time to make that DIY. But if I do get the time, I will definitely be doing something with the birdies. I ordered them from Amazon and I'm definitely going to be ordering some more. I think that they are so cute and I will link them down below if you are interested in purchasing it too. I also have this candle. It's marble and I got this from Creative Co-op. It's a store that sells home decor on Amazon. Y'all, they have the most beautiful and amazing things. A lot of the things that I got from my spring decor, I got from them. And this is actually a candle holder. So you can put a candle this way and you can also put two candles in this way. And I think that it is so cute. I actually do want to order another one so that I could kind of, cross it over and have a candle in the middle and two candles on the side. But I think that this is so cute and it's super inexpensive and it's extremely heavy, you guys. So I do have some wooden rabbits here that I think I'm going to somehow incorporate in my decor. I don't know how, but I'm gonna somehow incorporate it. I'm not gonna go full on like Easter. I do think that spring and summer you can use rabbits as well, because you know that's when they all come out to play. And then I have these beautiful florals that I'm going to be putting in my vase. So I am so excited, you guys. Come along as we decorate.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
I got this bag of faux artichokes from the same Creative Co-op store on Amazon, and I just love them. I love them because they're so neutral and they're very light in weight. So I'm gonna put them in my cloche and see how that turns out.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
So now we're gonna go ahead and style this china cabinet. I don't think I'm going to take out anything besides the winter florals. I'm gonna take that out and do some spring arrangements.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
The brightest sky I have ever seen, the most colorful one like a dream. You wake me up with a new white smile, and I know I'm truly alive. I wanna save every moment now. Hold tight, my love, we got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding, we'll just shake our heads.
Welcome to my master bedroom. In here, I just really wanted something simple and serene and very calm. I didn't want any loud or bright colors. I just wanted neutral colors with just a pop of spring color in the mix, and I think I achieved that. I love this vase. I got it from TJ Maxx, and whatever I can link, I will try to link for you guys, but majority of the things in my home is thrifted, like this lamp. My entire bedroom furniture is thrifted, so I unfortunately can't link those, but if I can link some of the stems and florals, I definitely will. On my television screen, I love that spring ambiance. You can find it on YouTube. I will link the exact one that I used in this video. But I just wanted my master bedroom to just be peaceful and calming and kind of just bringing in the, you know, the life and the fullness that spring brings in. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and can get some inspiration from it. Some decorating inspiration that you can take away and perhaps incorporate in your home as well. I love to decorate and design on a budget. I don't like to break the bank, and I love vintage pieces, so I love to thrift as well. That's something that you can keep in mind the next time you're decorating your home, and even for the spring season. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your busy day and spending it with me today. And I hope that you guys enjoy. I hope that you guys will like and share, and definitely comment down below and let me know what is your favorite part of today's video. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.